Shalom, everyone. Glad we could come together for our Passover Seder. Seder is the Hebrew word for order of service, order of the Passover dinner. For most Jews, all Jews, the Passover Seder reminds us of the liberation from Egypt.
ואנחנו חוגגים את החג המצות הזה, שיצאנו בחירות, שהיינו במצרים, היינו בעבדים במצרים.
The Israelis who are not religious, we know that once a year we have this all family gathering. For me, it's like once a year I meet my roots.
We have bitter herbs, remind us of the past slavery, the haroset, which is sweetness. So it's like sweetness of what God has done for us. The egg is about the sacrifices of the temple. The lamb, because that was the original sacrifice. The word Pesach is the lamb.
I think about what I have to go through, all the people. It seems like we first did Egypt, then it's Holocaust. I think it was very unique to share that with other people that not Jewish, for them to know what the Jewish people have been through.
There's a container with 3 matzot. At one point, the leader takes out the middle matzah, breaks it. That other half is now called the afikomen, and it is wrapped and hidden away. And later on after dinner, we search for that matzah, we find it, and then to this day, that afikomen is shared by everyone there.
As a Christian, when I sit down to the Passover Seder with my Jewish friends, it makes me think of Jesus' Last Supper, which was the Passover Seder.
At the Last Supper, the Last Seder, Yeshua took that middle matzah and broke it, the afikomen. As he passed it around to his Jewish disciples, he said, "Take this, it reminds you of my body, broken for you." Broken for our transgressions, even wrapped up and hidden away for a while, as it were, his burial, and that he would come again as the risen Messiah. Amen.
They have 4 cups of wine during the order of the meal, and the 3rd cup of wine, which is the cup of redemption, was the actual cup which Jesus explained to his disciples that this is my blood poured out for you.
I saw that Seder Pesach can talk to anybody, not just to the Jews, because you need to understand the meaning of the Seder, why you're doing that, and then everybody can know, can feel what it means like to do the Seder Pesach.
We all share the love to the ocean because we had this thing that we love to do together. So if I connect to someone because of that, we can connect other things.